Hi guys, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best graphics drawing tablet options you can buy right now. Perfect for artists, designers, and creators who want precision, comfort, and performance. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ienron IES1060 graphics drawing tablet. The Ienron IES1060 graphics drawing tablet is a versatile tool designed for both aspiring and professional digital artists. Compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows XP through 11, Android 5.0 and above, and macOS 10.7.0 and later, this tablet integrates seamlessly with most major creative software like Photoshop, Flip-a-Clip, Medibang, Adobe Illustrator, and Lightroom. It even supports Microsoft Office applications, making it a practical choice for digital design and productivity. Left-handed users will also find it convenient and adaptable. This drawing tablet emphasizes efficiency with its 12 customizable shortcut keys and 10 soft multimedia keys, allowing users to personalize their workflow and access their most used functions quickly. This feature enhances convenience across different software applications, making the IES1060 suitable as a professional drawing pad for PCs. At the heart of the Ienron IES1060 is a battery-free stylus that eliminates the need for charging while offering 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. The pen supports 60-degree tilt recognition, enabling precise cursor control at various angles and delivering natural, detailed strokes with smooth shading and depth. The package also includes 30 replacement nibs, ensuring long-lasting performance and versatility in artistic expression. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the IES1060 can be set up easily by connecting it to a computer, laptop, or compatible Android device and installing the official driver. Once connected, artists can begin creating immediately, enjoying a responsive and immersive digital drawing experience. This tablet combines powerful functionality with thoughtful design, catering to the needs of artists looking to enhance their digital creativity. The Ienron IES1060 is an ideal choice for digital art enthusiasts, illustrators, and designers seeking a reliable, precise, and efficient tool to bring their ideas to life. Next, at number 4, is the Image D4L graphics drawing tablet. The Image D4L graphics drawing tablet is designed to bring a professional digital art experience to artists, designers, and hobbyists alike. With a generous 10 by 6-inch active drawing area featuring a papery texture surface, it provides a smooth, lag-free platform that mimics the natural feel of drawing on paper. This expansive workspace allows for precise strokes and expansive creativity, making it ideal for sketching, painting, and detailed digital artwork. At the heart of the tablet is its 8192 level passive stylus, which captures subtle variations in pressure to produce lines of varying thickness and opacity. This feature allows artists to control every aspect of their strokes, from delicate, fine lines to bold, expressive brushwork, perfect for detailed photo retouching, illustration, or artistic design. Coupled with the 60-degree tilt function, the tablet responds naturally to hand movements, enabling smooth shading and realistic stroke transitions without the need to manually adjust brush direction in software. The tilt sensitivity effectively replicates the behavior of traditional pencils or brushes, giving artwork a lifelike texture. Efficiency is enhanced through 12 customizable shortcut keys and 10 multimedia keys, allowing creators to quickly access functions and commands without breaking their workflow. This streamlined setup boosts productivity by providing immediate control over frequently used tools and software features. Compatibility is another strength of the Image D4L. Supporting a wide range of operating systems, including Windows XP through 10, Android 4.0 Plus, and macOS 10.7 and above. It integrates seamlessly with popular creative applications such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, SAI, 3D Max, Autodesk Maya, and ZBrush, among others. This versatility ensures that whether for professional or personal projects, the tablet can adapt to nearly any digital art environment, delivering a precise, intuitive, and enjoyable drawing experience. The Image D4L graphics drawing tablet merges functionality, responsiveness, and creative freedom into a single device, providing artists with a powerful tool to bring their visions to life. Coming in at number 3, we have the Ugee M708 graphics drawing tablet. The Ugee M708 graphics drawing tablet stands out as a versatile tool for digital artists, combining a spacious active area with advanced functionality to enhance creative work. Its 10 by 6-inch active drawing space provides ample room for sketching, painting, and photo editing, while the tablet's papery texture surface ensures a smooth, tactile experience that closely mimics drawing on real paper. Designed for both precision and comfort, this tablet is built to support long hours of digital artistry without compromise. Central to the M708's performance is its battery-free stylus, which offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This allows for precise control over line thickness and opacity, enabling artists to create detailed work with subtle gradations and nuanced strokes. The stylus also supports tilt functionality, further enhancing its responsiveness and natural feel, making it suitable for a wide range of creative applications from professional illustration to casual sketching. Compatibility is a key strength of the Ugee M708. It works seamlessly with Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and Linux systems, and integrates smoothly with major creative software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Corel Painter, and Autodesk Maya. This broad compatibility ensures that users can incorporate the tablet into existing workflows without difficulty. The tablet also includes 8 customizable shortcut keys, allowing quick access to commonly used functions like undo, zoom, brush adjustments, and erasing. These keys are strategically positioned to enhance workflow efficiency, enabling artists to maintain focus on their work without interrupting the creative process. Overall, the Ugee M708 combines a large, textured drawing surface, high pressure sensitivity, versatile software support, and ergonomic features, offering a refined digital drawing experience that caters to artists of all levels. Its thoughtful design and reliable performance make it a valuable addition to any creative setup. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Digidraw T610 graphics drawing tablet. The Digidraw T610 graphics drawing tablet redefines digital artistry with its sleek, ultra-thin, and portable design. Measuring just 12 by 8.7 by 0.3 inches and featuring a 10 by 6.25-inch active area, this tablet offers a generous workspace while remaining incredibly lightweight. Its buttonless, narrow bezel design maximizes the drawing area, making it ideal for artists who work on the go or prefer a clutter-free surface for mobile sketching. At the heart of the T610 is the Magic Pen 3.0, a battery-free stylus that delivers exceptional precision and responsiveness. With 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, a 5080 LPI resolution, a 300 pps report rate, and an ultra-fine 1.6 mm tip, the pen ensures fluid, accurate strokes across various software, including Adobe, Clip Studio, and Corel. Its slim 9mm body and minimal 0.03mm gap reduce wobble significantly, providing an experience close to drawing on real paper. Connectivity is seamless thanks to the zero-latency USB-C wired connection, offering a fast, stable link with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Android 14 Plus devices. The tablet supports multiple orientations and comes with a V3 driver, allowing artists to customize their workspace and adjust angles for optimal comfort. The T610 also emphasizes ergonomics and comfort. Its textured surface mimics the tactile feel of traditional paper, while the gently curved palm rest helps reduce hand fatigue during extended creative sessions. By combining a minimalist design with advanced technology, the Digidraw T610 enables artists and designers to focus entirely on creativity, precision, and workflow, making it a versatile tool for illustration, sketching, and professional digital art. This tablet embodies the balance of portability, precision, and a natural drawing experience, making it an appealing choice for both budding artists and seasoned professionals seeking a responsive, comfortable, and high-quality digital canvas. And finally, our top pick for the Huion Kamvas Pro graphics drawing tablet. The Huion Kamvas Pro 16 graphics drawing tablet delivers a professional-level drawing experience with a combination of advanced display technology, responsive pen performance, and practical workflow features. Its 15.6-inch full laminated screen with anti-glare glass provides clear, detailed visuals, allowing artists to see their work with precision and accuracy. The subtle textured surface mimics the feel of paper, offering a natural and comfortable drawing experience. Color reproduction on the Kamvas Pro 16 is vivid and true to life, with a 120% sRGB and 92% Adobe RGB color gamut, while the 1000:1 contrast ratio ensures shadow details are sharp and distinct. This makes it easier for digital artists to judge colors, shading, and highlights accurately. Efficiency is enhanced with 6 customizable express keys and a touch bar, giving quick access to frequently used functions such as zooming, brush adjustments, or saving. The included ST200 adjustable stand allows tilting between 20 degrees and 60 degrees, helping reduce neck and shoulder strain while providing an optimal viewing angle for both drawing and typing. The tablet's battery-free pen offers highly responsive performance with 60-degree tilt recognition and minimal lag. Its 2 programmable side buttons allow quick shortcuts within creative software, streamlining the workflow. Connectivity is simplified through a 3-in-1 USB-C cable that combines power, data, and HDMI signals, reducing clutter and making setup more convenient. Compatibility extends across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems, and it works seamlessly with popular creative applications, including Adobe Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, SAI, and Lightroom. Designed for artists, designers, and digital creators, the Huion Kamvas Pro 16 combines precision, comfort, and functionality, creating an efficient and immersive digital art experience. And there you have it, the best graphics drawing tablets you should check out right now. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more top tech recommendations.